Hello, I'm Sunny. Welcome to our pinyin series. Today we'll teach you how to say a sentence naturally. So, if you hear Chinese people speak a sentence in our daily life, you will find sometimes they will speak the sentence a little bit higher, a little lower, sometimes quickly, sometimes slow, sometimes go up, sometimes go down, sometimes stress, sometimes no stress. So in today's video, I will teach you how to say a sentence naturally. So if you want to say a sentence naturally, you need to know three very important things. One is pause. Because we cannot say a long sentence without a breath, without change. So we need to pause. So they have three types of pause. First one is a physiological. It means sometimes if the sentence is too long for you to finish, so you need to pause. For example, 我今天很高兴来到这里和你一起上课. Oh, it's very long sentence for teacher. So if I say this sentence without breath, it's too hard for me. So how I say it? I will say, 我今天很高兴来这里和你们一起上课. See? Same sentence, but for me, I will feel more comfortable when I use the second way. And the second part is grammatical. This is also helped by the mark. For example, today, let's go to study Chinese. 今天 have a pause. 我们一起学习中文. And the third one is very important one. It's a logical one. What means logical one? It means if you want to emphasize something, you need to pause before. So if you see some leader or make speech, they always say, following, 接下来. So they have a pause. Why? They told you, pay attention. The important things coming. So sometimes I say, okay, 好的. I pause because I want you pay attention to me. And then second one is stress. How is it? We cannot say a sentence like, today is very good. 今天天气很好. See, I have no stress. How you feel about you listen my sentence? 今天天气很好. Very like a Siri said, right? 今天天气很好. So we need to stress. How is stress? First is about a grammatical one. Sometimes you need to stress the verb. Sometimes you need to stress the complements. Sometimes you need to stress the description words. So this one, when you meet, you need to thinking about it. And the second one is a logical one. Also same as the pause. What you want to emphasize. Sometimes you want to emphasize something, you just stress something. For example, the sentence, 我们一起学普通话. We learn Mandarin together. 我们一起学普通话. If this sentence, you don't want to emphasize anything without any special idea, we need to stress 学. So the sentence should be like, 我们一起学普通话. So you need to stress the verb 学. But if you want to emphasize Mandarin, 普通话, you tell them, we learn 普通话, not other language. So the sentence should be read like this. 我们一起学普通话. So we need to stress 普通话 because you want to emphasize one. And if you want to emphasize 一起 together or not we learn by ourselves, we say 我们一起学普通话. And if you emphasize 我们 we, not they, 他们, so we say 我们一起学普通话. So same sentence, but you just put it on different place, have different meaning. Then let's go to the intonation. In Chinese, we have 4 intonations, but the common one is these 2. So the first one is a flat one. You're talking seriously without any emotion, so very cold. For example, if you see the CCTV one, you will see the people say, today we have something happen. 今天有一件事情发生. They have flat because they need to seriously without any emotion. And the go up one is almost about the question sentence, like 你好吗？你好吗？ Totally go up. 你好吗? Like a sing a song. And go down is a statement sentence like 今天天气很好，今天天气很好啊。Pay attention the intonation, not tone. So you need to go through slowly. 今天天气很好。And the first one sometimes go up and go down or go down, go up is about dot. 什么？你说什么？是真的吗？ Like this. Okay, that is all about how to say a sentence naturally. But if you just say this, you will confuse. Oh, how I say it? So following teacher Sunny prepares 8 different kinds of sentence. Let's teach you how to read this kind of sentence. Okay, let's see these 8 types of sentence. First one is statement sentence. It's quite easy. We directly go down. For example, 我们今天去玩。我们今天去玩。So you see, slowly go down. 我们今天去玩. Very good. So the intonation is go down. And the second one is a question sentence with question word. The question word is just like what, 什么 who, 谁 when, 什么时候 where, 哪里 which, 哪个 and how. So in this kind of sentence, see here, 这是谁的笔 This is whose pen. In this sentence, first we need to stress the question word. So 这是谁的笔 we need to stress 谁 So 这是谁的笔 So after the question words, we need to go down. So 这是谁的笔这是谁的笔 So this one need to stress and then stress and then go down. Number 3 is yes, no question. So yes, no question is the answer should be yes or no. For example, 你学习中文吗？你学习中文吗？ So in this kind of sentence, you need to stress the verb. 你学习中文吗？ And then go up. 你学习中文吗？你学习中文吗？ Go up because question sentence 90% will go up. So this one go up and we stress the verb. If no verb, like 你是Sunny吗 So we need to stress 是你是Sunny吗 Go stress 是 and go up. Number 4, affirmative and negative question. So this like 你去不去学校你去不去学校 So in this kind of sentence, the affirmative one you need to stress. So in this sentence, 你去不去学校 Which one we need to stress? Yes, 去 So 你去不去学校 So negative one we need to non-stress. And all 去不去 the affirmative and negative you need to do very quickly. So you cannot say 你去不去学校 so strange. We say 你去不去学校去不去去不去 stress, non-stress. And after stress part, we need to go down. So not go up, you know, ask 你去不去学校 so strange. We say 你去不去学校 go down. So after stress part, we need to go down. 你去不去学校 Very good. Number 5, alternative question. For example, 你喜欢喝茶还是咖啡 So in this kind of sentence, we need to stress or emphasize the alternatives. So in this sentence, 你喜欢喝茶还是咖啡 So the alternatives is 喝茶咖啡茶 and 咖啡 So we need to stress these 2 parts. And the first part, 茶 we need to go up. So 你喜欢喝茶还是 and go down 咖啡 So you need to stress 茶 and 咖啡 and then 茶 go up and 咖啡 go down. Say 你喜欢喝茶还是咖啡 Or another sentence 你喜欢中文还是英文 You like Chinese or English? So in this kind of sentence we say 你喜欢中文还是英文 So 中文 and 英文 you need to stress and first one go up and the second one go down. So if we change the order, so 你喜欢英文还是中文 So we say 你喜欢英文还是中文 So no matter which one in the first, we just go up and the second one go down. For this kind of sentence, we still need to pay attention. The formal part, you need to read slowly. So 你喜欢喝茶还是咖啡 So go up and slowly. 你喜欢喝茶还是咖啡 Okay, let's go to the sixth one. Number 6. The imperative sentence. So the imperative sentence, this is very special. For example, let's go for dinner. 我们去吃饭吧。我们去吃饭吧。So in this kind of sentence, if your tone is very polite, so at first your pitch is very low. So you will lower than before, like 你们去吃饭吧。So the first part will go up and go down. So you hear 你们去吃饭吧。你们去吃饭吧。For example, 请小声一点。Please be quiet. So if we want to polite, so the 请 should be low. The pitch is low, so we say 请 and you need to go up. Otherwise, you will keep in a very low pitch. It's quite hard for we say 请小声一点. So straight. We say 请 and go up. 小声一点 go down. So the beginning is very low and then we start high and go up, go down. 请小声一点，请小声一点。Very good. Okay, number 7, exclamatory sentence. Like, 今天天气好热啊。If here I say this sentence, you will find 好热 the description word or the complement will stress. And then the voice is go down. So, 今天天气好热啊，好热啊 right? And let's go to number 8, the but question. The but question. So, before I told you, generally, all the question sentence will go up, but the but is a special one. So, if you want to know but's meaning, you can check this video. So, but in question is content you guess and plus but you want to you make a confirm with other people. So in this kind of sentence, you need to go down. For example, 明天不上班吧 So 明天不上班吧明天不上班吧 Because at the first part is your guess. You think your idea, maybe 90% is correct. But you just want to make confirm with other people. Say 明天不上班吧 Go down, go down. We cannot say 明天不上班吧 So straight with 明天不上班吧 Very good. Okay, this 8 types of sentence is the common sentence you will meet in your daily life. So if you know how to say it and try to say it very naturally, believe Sunny, if you're talking to a native speaker, they will think your Mandarin is very good. Okay, that is all about how to say a sentence naturally. If you like today's video and think it's useful, please like and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time. 再见。